A millwright, also known as an industrial mechanic, is a tradesperson who installs, maintains, and repairs stationary industrial machinery and mechanical equipment. Millwrights utilize welding and operate metal shaping machines. They also interpret drawings, follow layouts, and assemble parts until they are in perfect working order. Industrial mechanics and millwrights may be cross-trained in a second trade such as pipe fitting, welding, machining, or electrical maintenance. A day in the life of a millwright begins after the mill shuts down and might involve installing a giant turbine for an industrial mechanic to maintain and keep humming. As a millwright, you'll need to maintain and repair factory equipment and other industrial machinery, such as conveyor systems, production machinery, and packaging equipment. Install, dismantle, repair, reassemble, and move machinery. Operate brazing and soldering equipment. Operate metal shaping machines. Repair worn parts of metal products by welding on extra layers. And read and interpret blueprints or welding specifications. This job is right for you if you like variety and enjoy learning new things. A desire to want to work with mechanical and electrical systems is a must. Completion of an apprenticeship or a 2-year degree program is usually required. If you have excellent problem-solving skills and consider yourself a jack of all trades, you'll enjoy this job. For more information on becoming a millwright, visit forestryworks.com.